Hello and welcome to AG Media. I'm Ajan Deng. Today we are telling a story, not a political statement, not a performance, but a moment that reveals who we are and who we could still become. Between 16th and the 18th of January 2026 in Terekeka County, South Sudan witnessed one of the most significant cultural gatherings in the recent history. The 3 days and 3 nights, the Mundari people came together from Tale, Gemeza, within Terekeka, Koda, and across all the Mundari land. They did not just come to protest. They did not come to compete. They came to remember. From the early hours of 16 January, the land began to change. Drums echo across open grounds. Cattle bells and mark movement. Songs rose steady and unforced. Young people traveled from Juba and surrounding counties. Elders arrived carrying memory rather than instructions. Women came with pride and presence. Children watched, learning without being told. This was not chaos. It was order shaped by tradition. For the first time in the history of many generations, a lot of young people were shown the real tools and the cultural artifacts of the Mundari people and neighboring communities who share the same culture. This was a national movement as well. The significance of the festival drew national attention. Senior leaders of the government attended, including advisors to the president, vice president of the Republic of South Sudan, governor of Central Equatoria, and commissioners and ministers. And among those who were present were Dr. Wani Iga and Rebecca Nyandeng Demabiur and Adut Kir Mayadit. This was not just something not to talk about. It was visible in the eyes of the governor of Central Equatoria, who showed his excitement for the gathering of the people of South Sudan.
عدد كبير شديد يال بتاخد الفوق بيمثلوا تركيكا في البرلمان الكبير وبرضه يال بتاخد بيمثلوا تركيكا في برلمان دا ولاية عدد كبير من جاهنا وانا جا برضه مع رئيس بتاع سبورت بريزيدنت سالفا كير بيتا مايوك مع لجنة بتاع كله كانت موجود بجايته بيسلم لناس مدارك.
As he was also wearing his traditional costume, as do many of his colleagues who attended. Although hosted by Mundari, this gathering belonged to many people. Communities came all the way from the Bor, Aliap, Twitch East, Cholo, Kakwa, Kuku, Bari, and all of the South Sudanese cultural groups that have attended, including the Taposes from Eastern Equatoria.
Yes, we are promoting culture. Culture goes together with education. I'm requesting the government of South Sudan, government of Central Equatoria, just as the leaders of Central Equatoria and of South Sudan from Terekeka, they are always taking services to so many areas that are even not Terekeka because they love the whole country. Let the government of South Sudan really prioritize health centers and hospitals, primary schools and secondary schools in Terekeka because there is very, very big population. There is very big population in Terekeka. So this population needs services such as electricity, clean drinking water. As I've demanded for electricity plant, I also demand for the water plant here. Let the water taps be fixed to the area. This is the city. So these people of ours, of South Sudan here in Terekeka, they deserve all these services. So humbly, I am also requesting in conclusion, as the son of Central Equatoria State and the son of South Sudan who knows this area very well, I'm calling for the rightful representation of the people.
On the ground, differences, substance, moment, rhythms, dress, reveal sheer ancestry. Many realize something quietly powerful, that our culture are not divided by borders. They are layered and connected and older than the states. What unfolded in Terekeka was an old tradition, and it has been practiced among the South Sudanese cultures all over the communities. Among the Dinka and the neighboring communities that share the same culture with the Mundaris is known as a wak, a spiritual and also a cultural gathering that is done after some years. This was a moment of renewal. This was the culture that was stopped by the war, but the communal gathering was amazing. Before the war, a wak brought elders, youth, women, and many young people together, and to make sure that they celebrate together. Conflict interrupted this rhythm. Displacement scattered it. What we witnessed in January 2026 was not nostalgia, it was continuity restored. At a time when the part of South Sudan continued to experience violence, hunger, and uncertainty, this festival offered another truth. That peace is not only negotiated, it is practiced. For 3 days, no gunshots defined the space. No ethnic slogans filled the air. Only songs, movement, and sheer presence. This is what peace look like when it grows from culture. Looking forward, the Mundari have long drawn global attention for their cattle culture. Photographers, researchers, and travelers have visited for many years. What changed was intention. This festival plays at the center a national identity. It shows that tourism does not require cultural dilution. Respect. Most importantly, it reminded South Sudanese to see themselves as first. The Mundari Cultural Festival of January 2026 will be remembered not because it was large, but because it was grounded. Terekeka, near the capital city of Juba, South Sudan told itself it is a better story. This is AG Media. I'm Ajan Denchanko, and go to our YouTube for more videos. Some of these videos were recorded and they are there for you to see and to be happy. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on our Facebook page and TikTok, where we have